Hi, this is John Coumarianos with Mindful Advisory, bringing you a new edition of Driving Returns. What's been moving in the markets lately, besides tech stocks, are bonds, somewhat surprisingly. Bonds are down for the year, but they've rallied hard since the end of the last week of February. They're up about 0.6%. Doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a lot for investment-grade bonds in a short period of time. We're using here the iShares core U.S. aggregate bond ETF, which tracks the Bloomberg U.S. aggregate. A result of that is that two unloved sectors up until now have also been rallying hard, and those are REITs and utilities. We're using the Vanguard real estate index here, and it's up about 4% from the end of the last week of February. Big move for REITs, and very unloved, forgotten sector. Everyone knows the plight of office buildings, but office buildings are not a big part of the index anymore. They are an extremely small part of the index, in fact. So you're not really buying a lot of office buildings when you're buying the Vanguard REIT ETF or pretty much any index fund. Last, utilities. We're using the SPDR Select Sector Utilities Fund here, ticker symbol XLU, and that fund is up 4.5% since the end of the last week of February. So a big move for another unloved sector. It reminds me that our friend Brett Aarons, great columnist for MarketWatch, at the start of every year writes a column about an imaginary hedge fund he's running called Pariah Capital. Pariah meaning he chooses the sectors or the investments that fund managers surveyed by Bank of America hate the most. He says you should do the opposite of what those fund managers are doing. And over the past few years, that's proven to be the right thing to do. And at the start of this year, utilities and REITs were among the least loved or most hated sectors, and they are still lagging, to be fair, but the year is young and they are rallying, and it looks like Pariah Capital may notch another victory at the end of this year. We'll have to wait and see. There's still a long way to go. Anyway, John Coumarianos for Mindful Advisory and for Driving Returns signing off. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you like the work we do here. And if you have any questions about financial planning or investment management, please don't hesitate to call Mindful Advisory at 201-951-3509 or visit us at mindfuladvisory.com. Thanks very much.